hope you all are safe and good. So in the previous class we have completed exercise 1.3, right? So in exercise 1.3 what we have learned? We have learnt about the properties of rational numbers, right? So what are all the properties we have learnt? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, inverse property and identity property. Okay, these are all the properties we have learnt in the previous class. Okay children, so have you all did your homeworks? Okay, good. So do your homework properly. Okay children, so let us start the new topic. Okay, so that is square numbers. Okay children, so have you heard about the square numbers? Okay, let us learn about that. Okay, so square numbers, we have learnt about the shape square, right? 2D shape square. So it's a 2D shape. So what are all the properties of square we have learnt? Square has all the four sides are equal. Okay, this side, this side, this side, this side, all the four sides are equal, right? So how will you find the area? Okay, if you are having the side of a square as 5, okay, side of a square as 5, so all the sides are equal, right? So that we can say all the sides have 5 centimeter length. Okay children, so how will you find the area of the square? Simply, so what is the formula to find area of a square? Area equal to side into side. Okay, side into side, that is 5 into 5, that is 25. Okay, 25 centimeter square. Okay children, so if you are finding the area of a square, means we need to multiply the side into twice, right? Side twice. So that in square numbers also we are going to multiply a number twice. Okay, so that is 5 into 5, 25. Okay, 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, likewise in square numbers we are going to multiply a number twice. Okay children, can you all understood? So simply we can say the square number as if a number is multiplied, okay, if a number is multiplied twice itself, okay, same number is multiplied twice itself, we got the square number. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Okay children, so 9 is the square number. Okay children, simply if a number is multiplied twice itself, okay, 5 5s are, okay, if a number is multiplied twice itself, you will get the square number, that is 25. Okay, 7 into 7, 49. Okay, if a number is multiplied twice itself, you will get the square number, that is 49. Okay children, can you all understand? This is the square number. Okay children, simply if you are having a square, okay, so the side of a square is 2. Okay, so how will you find the area? We need to multiply the side twice, right? The same number twice itself. So that we will get the square number, that is 4. Okay children, can you all understand? So this is called square number. So here we had mentioned as 3 3s are 9, right? We can also write this 3 into 3 as 3 power 2. Okay, if we need to write the same number, okay, 3 into 3. Okay, so for this, for writing 2 times 3, we are just writing it in power. Okay, so 3 power 2. Okay, we can say it as 3 power 2. Okay children, can you all understood? Or else 3 square. Okay, so if you had done 2 power 2, that is 2 square. Okay, 2 square. 9 square. Okay, 8 square. Okay, so we can write as like this. Okay children, so what is 3 square? 9. Okay, that is 3 3s are 9. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 9 9s are 81. 8 8s are 64. Okay children, we can write like this. Okay, so this is called square numbers. Okay children, summarize up to 50 square. Okay children, that's your today's homework. Okay, you should find up to 50 square. That is your today's homework. Okay, so let us say the square numbers again. So 1 square is 1. Okay, 1 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. And 10 10s are 100. Okay, and 11 square, 11 11s are 121. 12 12s are 144. 13 13s are 169. 14 14s are 196. 15 15s are 225. 16 16s are 256. 17 17s are 289. 18 18s are 324. 19 19s are 361. And 20 20s are 400. Okay children, so these are all the square numbers which was given in your book. Okay, it is in page number 26. Okay children, so you should memorize this today itself. Okay, don't forget. If you had memorized this means only you can learn a long division, okay, and all. Okay children, don't forget. Okay, let us learn about some of the properties of the square numbers. Okay children, so first of all, so the first property is the square number ends only with 0. Okay, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, 6 and 9. Okay children, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay children, the square number ends only with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay children, let us check. Okay. See here, we are having 1, okay, it ends with 1. And here, it ends with 4, right, 4. And it ends with 9, we are having 9. 6, 6, 16. The ones place is 6, right? So, it ends with 6, okay. And here, it ends with 5 and 6, 9, 4, 1, 0, okay. So, the square number ends only with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay children, that is the first property. Then we can say it does not end with 2, 3, 7, 8, right? So it ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, but it does not ends with 2, 3, 7, okay, 2, 3, 7 and 8, okay, 2, 3, 7 and 8, okay children. So a square number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay children, square number 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 அப்படிங்கிற நம்பர்ல தான் முடியும். Okay children, and but it does not ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, in the exam if they had asked, okay, so simply 842. Okay, is this number a square number? You need to check. How will you check? We are having the n number as 2, so we can say it is not a square number. Okay, it is not a square number. Okay children, simply if you are having 324, okay, here we are having 4, okay, now check, it is a square number. Okay, we can easily check whether it is a square number or not. Is it children? Very easy. Is it children? So a square number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, but it does not ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay children, is it clear? Very easy, right? And then the next is the square number. Okay, the square number if 1 and 9. Okay, see the square 1 and 9, 1 square. So 1 square it ends with 9. And if it is 9 square it ends with 81. See, in 1's place they are having 1. Okay children. So if a square number, that is 1 squared and 9 square, it ends with 1. Okay, so let us check for the 11. Okay, so 11, right? So 11 squared, it ends with 1, and 19 squared, again it ends with 1. Okay children, so if we are having the square numbers for 1 squared and that means 1 and 9 squared. Okay, 1 squared, 9 squared, 11 squared, 19 squared, okay, and then 21 squared, 29 squared. Okay, if you are having the numbers as 1 and 9, we will get the answer, that is square number as 1. Okay children, இப்போ நம்ம 1 கோ இல்ல 9 கோ ஸ்கொயர் நம்பர் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் அப்படினா it ends with 1. Okay children, that is the second property. Okay, and if you are finding the square number for 2 and 8, okay, see the square number for 2 squared is 4 and 8 squared is 64. See, we are having 4 in 1's place, right? As like the same, let us see 12. Okay, here in 12 we are having 144, it ends with 4, right? 18. See 18, it also ends with 4. Okay, children, is it clear? Very easy, right? And if a square number, okay, if a number that is 3 and 7, okay, if a square number 3 and 7, see 3 squared 9, 3 and 7, 7 squared 49, okay, it ends with 9. Okay, children, 3 and 7, it ends with 9. Okay, children, so if it is 13, it ends with 9. 17, it ends with 9. Okay, that is the next property. And then the next property is, if the number ends with 4 and 6, okay, 4, okay, 4 square, see the 4 square, 16, okay, and then 6 squared, 36, okay, it ends with 6, okay, it ends with 6, okay, and see here in 14 square, it ends with 6, 16 square, it ends with 6, okay, children, these are all the properties, okay. And if the square number is 5 and 0, so 5 square, it is 25, okay, it ends with 5. And if it is 10 square, it ends with 0. Okay, children, can you all understood? So, if it is a square number, means how we can find? That number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, children, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, so how we can find whether it is not a square number? If it is not a square number, means that number will have 2, 3, 7, 8 at the end. Okay, so that we can find it is not a square number. Okay, children. And then what are all the properties we have learned? If the number is 1 and 9, okay, if it is 1 squared or 9 squared, okay, it ends with 1. Okay, if it is 1 squared and 9 squared, it ends with 1. Okay, if it is 2 squared and 8 squared, it ends with 4. Okay, and then if it is 4 squared and 6 squared, it ends with 6. Okay, children. And if it is 3 squared and 7 squared, 3 squared and 7 squared, it ends with 9. Okay, if it is 5 squared, it ends with 5. And if it is 10 squared, it ends with 0. Okay, children, these are all the properties which was given in your book. Okay, children, so we have learnt about the properties of square numbers. Okay, and also we are going to learn about 3 more properties. Okay, let us see the first property. The sum of the first n consecutive natural numbers is n squared. Okay, so what is meant by this consecutive numbers? Simply, if I am writing the consecutive even numbers, so what are the consecutive even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, simply if you are writing any number continuously, okay, varusaya continuous எழுதிட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து நம்ம consecutive number னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, children, so these are the consecutive even number. Okay, so if I am writing the consecutive odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so if I am listing the consecutive natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so simply if you have written anything in an order, okay, varusaya எழுதுறோம் அப்படினா we can call it as consecutive numbers. Okay, children, so the sum of the first n consecutive natural numbers is n squared. Okay, children, so let us see. See, we are having 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3, it is a consecutive odd number, right? So what we can do? Simply if you are adding this 1 plus 3, what will you get? 4. Okay, so we can write 2 squared. 2 squared equal to 4, right? And if it is 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9, right? So we can write 3 squared. Okay, 3 squared. Okay, children, simply see, we are having 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that we can write 3 squared directly. Okay, and see, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 consecutive odd numbers, right? So that we can write 4 squared. And then you can add and check. Okay, so check this. So 9 plus 7, what will you get? 16, is it, children? So you will get 16, right? So 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4 plus 5, it is 9. 9 plus 7, we will get 16. So we can write 4 squared. For writing the 16, we can write 4 squared directly. Okay, children. So for this, how many numbers, consecutive numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simply we can write 5 squared. Okay, 5 squared is 25. Okay, children. So you can also check by adding all these. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25, right? So we got 25, that is 5 squared. Okay, children. So if you are doing about the large numbers, okay, simply if you are trying 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. So what will you get? 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are all the consecutive numbers, right? Consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so let us find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 7 numbers are there. So that we can write 7 squared. Okay, children. So 7 squared, 7 sevens are 49. Okay, children. So if you are adding all these numbers, you will get 49. That is 7 squared. Okay, children. And again, if I am having 1 plus 3 plus 5 and plus up to 99. So what will you get for this? We are having the numbers up to 99. Okay, children. So we are listing all the odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers up to 99. So how will you find the answer for this? Simply up to 100. How many odd numbers are there from 1 to 100? How many odd numbers are there? 50 odd numbers and 50 even numbers, right? Is it clear? So if you are having the numbers from 1 to 100, okay, if you are having the number from 1 to 100, okay, 1 to 100. So how many odd numbers and how many even numbers? 50 odd and 50 even, right? 50 odd and 50 even. Is it, children? So here we had listed odd numbers. Is it, children? So that how many odd numbers are there? 50. Okay, children. So that simply we can write 50 squared. Okay, 50 squared. So 50 squared means what? 50 into 50. 50 square means 50 into 50, right? So 50 square means 5 is a 25, so 00. Okay, for 10 we can put 20. So that 2500 is the answer. Okay, children. So if you are having the consecutive natural numbers, okay, it is consecutive odd numbers. So if you are having consecutive even numbers means also we can find easily. Okay, simply we are just adding the digits. Okay, here we are having 7 digits, so that's 7 squared. Okay, here we are having up to 99, we are having 50 digits. Okay, so that 50 squared, that is 2500. Okay, children. So we are just calculating the number of natural numbers. Okay, so here we are having 7 natural numbers. So n equal to 7. Okay, children. So that we are doing n squared, that is 7 squared. Is it clear? So this is the first property here. Okay, so the sum of the first n consecutive natural numbers is n squared. Okay, here the sum of the consecutive n natural number. Okay, n is 7. So n natural numbers is n squared, that is 7 squared. Is it clear? So let us see the next property. The square of an odd number can be written as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Okay, children. So what is odd number? Know today's homework. Okay, your homework is from page number 35, that is exercise 1.4. In second and third is your homework. Okay, children, do your homework properly. Okay, thank you. Okay, children, we have completed the first one. So let us see the second one. Okay, so what is odd number? So odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, these are all the odd numbers, right? So simply I am choosing an odd number 5. Okay, so 5. 5 squared means what? 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. 5 5s are 25, right? So read this property. The square of an odd number can be written as, okay, if you are squaring an odd number, okay, can be written as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Okay, we can write this as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Okay, children, so let us check. Okay, so children, see, if I am having 25, so what is the predecessor of 25? 24. Okay, so what is the successor of 25? 26, right? See, so what is the half for 24? It is 12, right? So half of 24 is 12. And what is the half of 26? It is 13, right? So that we can write as 12 plus 13. Okay. So we can write this 25 as 12 plus 13. Okay, children, is it clear? See, we got the consecutive natural numbers. Okay, we got the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. So what does mean by consecutive? தொடர்ச்சியா இல்லனா வரிசையா வந்தா நம்ம consecutive னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்படிதானே children? So that we can write 12 plus 13. Okay, so let us check the another one odd number. Okay, so let us take 3 squared. Okay, let us check the small numbers first. So 3 squared. So if it is 3 squared means 3 into 3, right? So 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, children. So it is an odd number, right? 3 squared. 3 is an odd number. So that we are choosing an odd number. So we got the square of, that is 3 squared is 9. So children, so how will you write the sum of two consecutive natural numbers? So let us find the predecessor of 9. So what is the predecessor of 9? 8. Okay. So what is the successor of 9? It is 10. Right. So what is the half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. Right. Half of 8 is 4. And what is the half of 10? It is 5. Okay. So we can write it as 4 plus 5. Okay. We can write this 9 as 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Okay. 4 plus 5. Okay, children. Can you all understand the square of an odd number? Okay. So what is the odd number chosen here? 3. Okay. So square of an odd number can be written as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. So what is the square of 3 squared? 3 square is 9. Okay. We can write this 9 as 4 plus 5. Okay, children. So let us check for 9 squared. Okay. Sorry. 7 squared. Okay. So 7 squared. So how will you write 7 squared? 7 squared means 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. Right. So what is the predecessor of 49? 48. And what is successor of 49? It is 50. Is it, children? So if you are taking the half of 48, what is the half of 48? 24, right? So 24 plus, and what is the half of 50? 25. Okay, children, so that we can write 24 plus 25 as the consecutive natural numbers. Okay, 24 plus 25. Is it clear? And let us see another one example. Okay. So if you are choosing 9 squared, okay, 9 squared, how will you write? So 9 squared. So 9 squared means 9 into 9, right? So 9 nines are, 81. Okay, 9 nines are 81. Okay, children. So say what is the predecessor of 81? 80, right? Predecessor of 81 is 80. And what is the successor of 81? 82. Now say the half of 80. Half is 40. Is it, children? 40. And what is the half of 82? 41. Okay, so that we can write the consecutive numbers as 40 plus 41. Is it clear, children? So we have learned this second property also. Okay, so let us see the third property. Between the squares of consecutive numbers, okay, between the squares of consecutive numbers n and n plus 1, there are 2n non-square numbers. Okay, children, let us see that. Okay, children, let us check. Okay, so between the squares of consecutive numbers, okay, squares of consecutive numbers, let us take the squares of consecutive numbers as 2 squared and 3 squared. Okay, 3 squared, 2 squared and 3 squared. Okay, between the squares of consecutive numbers, that is, it is n. Okay, it is n and it is n plus 1 squared. Okay, it is n squared and it is n plus 1 squared. Okay, we are going to find how many non-square numbers are in between this. Okay, let us find. Okay, so 2 squared is 2 twos are 4, right? And 3 squared, it is 9. Okay, children. So how will you find? Simply, if you are having square numbers as n squared and n plus 1 squared, we need to find the non-square numbers as 2n. Okay, 2 into n. So what is n here? It is n, right? So n equal to 4. Okay, n squared equal to 4, right? So n squared equal to 4. So what is n? n equal to 2. So n equal to 2. Okay, children. So how will you find 2n? 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. Okay. So in between this 2 squared and 3 squared, we are having 4 non-square numbers. Okay children. So 2 twos are 4 and 3 threes are 9. Okay. In between this 9 and 4, we are having 4 non-square numbers. Is it clear children? So let us see another one example. Okay, if you are saying we are having 3 squared and 4 squared. Okay, so these two are consecutive square numbers, right? Consecutive square numbers. Okay, so we can consider this as n and this as n plus 1. Okay, so it is n squared and it is n plus 1 squared. Okay, so now what is n? N equal to 3, right? N equal to 3. So how will you find the number of non-square numbers? 2 into n, right? 2 into n. So what is 2? Okay, what is n? Into 3. So 2 threes are 6. Okay, in between this 3 squared and 4 squared, we are having 6 non-square numbers. Okay, 3 threes are 9. Okay, in between this 9 and 16. Okay, in between this 9 and 16, we are having 6 non-square numbers. Okay, children. So let us try with the 15 and 16. Okay. See, if you are having the square numbers as 14. Okay, let us try with 14. 14 and 15. 14 square and 15 square. Okay. So this 14 squared is n. Okay, n squared. And 15 squared is n plus 1 squared. So what is n? N equal to 14, right? So n equal to 14. So what is 14 squared? 14 into 14 is 196. Okay, 14 into 14, 196. So what is 15 squared? 15 squared equal to 225, right? So let us find the number of non-square numbers in between these two. So how will you find? We need to put 2 into n. Okay, 2 into n. So what 2 into what is n? 14, right? So 2 14s are 28. Okay, 28. Okay, so in between these two square numbers, we are having 28 non-square numbers. Is it clear, children? So let us try with 15 and 16. Okay, so 15 square and 16 square. So n squared is 15 squared and n plus 1 is 16 squared. Okay, children. So 15 squared is 225. Okay, 225 and 16 squared is 256. Okay, 256. Okay, children. So let us find what is n here. N equal to 15, right? N equal to 15. Okay, children. So how will you find the non-square numbers in between this? We need to find 2n. Okay, so 2 into what is n? 15. 2 into 15, it is 30. Okay, in between these two numbers, these two square numbers, we are having 30 non-square numbers. Is it clear, children? And in your book, they had given a thing. Okay, a workout sum. Okay, children. So we are going to work out this one. So how many non-square numbers are there between 25,000, okay, sorry, 2,500 and 2,601. Okay, children, so let us check. Okay, it is in page number 27. Okay, children, so you can also see the question. Okay, let us try. You can take your classwork notebook. Take your classwork notebook, children. Put today's date. Okay, children, put today's date in your classwork notebook and write this question. Okay, it is in page number 27. In the box which has the heading of think. Okay, so write the question. How many non-square numbers are there between 2,500 and 2,601? Okay, so what is the third property we have learned here? Between the squares of consecutive numbers. So is these 2,500 and 2,601 is consecutive? Whether it is a consecutive number? 2,500 and 2,601. Yeah, it is consecutive because it is 50 squared. Okay, 50 squared equal to 2,500 and 51 squared equal to 2,601. Okay, children, is it clear? So we got the consecutive square numbers. Okay, that is 50 plus 51. You can also check. Okay, children. So it is 50 squared, that is 2500, and 51 squared is 2601. Now we can do it very easily, right? So what is n here? N squared. Okay, what is n? N equal to 50. Okay, n squared, right? So n equal to 50. Now how will you find the non-square numbers between this 2500 and 2601? We need to multiply, right? So 2 into n. Okay, now multiply. So 2n equal to 2 into 50. So what will you get? Right? So 2 into 50, that is 100. Okay, children? So there are 100 non-square numbers between 2500 and 2601. Okay, children? We know, right? We need to consider this as n squared and this is n plus 1 squared. Okay, n squared is 2500 and n plus 1 squared is 2601. Okay, so we got the n. What is n? N equal to 50. Okay, children, n equal to 50. So that what we need to do? Between the squares of consecutive numbers n and n plus 1, there are 2n non-square numbers. So what is 2n? 2n equal to 2 into 50, that is 100. Okay, children, so there are 100 non-square numbers between 2500 and 2601. Okay, children? Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. Only this question, okay, up to this. There are 100 non-square numbers between 2500 and 2601. Okay, children? Very easy sum, right? So pass the video and copy. Okay, children? Children, don't forget all these properties which we have learnt. This will be useful for you to do one word questions. Okay, children? So after completing this, write the exercise third sum. Okay. Okay, children, write the third question, exercise 1.4. Find the square of the following numbers. Okay, children, so we are going to find the square of the following numbers. Okay, so what is the question? 17 is the question, right? So how will you find the square? Square means we need to find 17 square. Okay, 17 square. So 17 square means we need to find 17 into 17. Okay, children, so let us multiply and find. Okay, 17 into 17. So how will you multiply? 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so 9, put 9 here and 4 in the top. So 1 7 is 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 11. Okay, children, so put plus. Now next digit. Okay, so 1 7 is 7. 1 1 is 1. So that we got here 9, 8 and 2. So 17 square equal to 289. Okay, children, 17 square equal to 289. Very easy, right? Simply if you know to multiply clearly means you can do it very easily. Okay, children, so copy it in your notebook. Pass the video and copy. Okay, children, so let us do the next one. So the next one is 56. Okay, so we are going to find the square of 56. So how will you find the square of 56? 56, we need to write 56 squared, right? 56 squared. So 56 squared means what we need to do? We need to multiply 56 into 56. Okay, children, so let us multiply. Okay, so 56 into 56. Okay, so let us multiply. 6 6 are 36. Okay, put 6 here and 3 in the top. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. Okay, children, put plus here. Now 5 6 are 30. Okay, put 0 and 3. Okay, now 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. Okay, so what we got here? 6. 3 plus 0, 3. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, so 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, children, so that we got 3136. Okay, children, so for 56 squared we got the answer as 3136. Okay, children, So can you all understood? Simply, if the question is to find the square of the following numbers means, simply we need to multiply that number twice. Okay, multiply the same number twice. Okay children, then we can find the square of that number. Okay children, pause the video and write. Let us do the third one. Okay children, see the third question, 678. Okay, so how will you find the square of this? First of all, 678 square. Okay, 678 square. Okay, we need to find the square of this. So 678 square means we can write 678 into 678. Okay children, let us multiply. Okay, 678 into 678. Okay, so how will you multiply? 8 8s are 64, right? 8 8s are 64. So put 4 here and 6 in the top. Okay, now 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 6, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Okay, 62. Okay, so put 2 here and 6 in the top. Okay, so now 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 6, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, 54. Okay children, now put plus for the next step. Okay, so 7 8s are 50. So 7 8s are 56, right? So put 56 here and 6 here and 5 in the top. Okay, now 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 5, 54. Okay, so write 54 here and put 4 here and 5 in the top. Okay children, so 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 5, 47. Okay children, put plus and let us do for 6. Okay, 6 8s are 48. Okay, 6 8s are 48. Put 8 here and 4 in the top. Okay, 7 6 are 42. Okay, 42 plus 4, 46. Okay, 46. Okay, put 6 here and 4 in the top. Okay, 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4, 40. Okay children, now we can add. Okay, now we are here we are having 4. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, now 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16, right? So put 1 in the top. So now 2 6 are 12, 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Okay, 19. Put 1 here. So 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so here we are having 5. 4. Okay, so we got, so 4 5 9 6 8 4. Okay, so that is, so 4,59,684. Okay children, so we got the answer as 4,59,684. Okay children, so 459684. Okay children, you can copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay children, so very easy, right? Simply, if a number is given means how will you find the square? We need to multiply it twice. Okay, we need to multiply the same number twice. Okay, so here we got the answer as 4,59,684. Okay children, know today's homework. Okay, your homework is from page number 35, that is exercise 1.4. in third, second and third is your homework. Okay children, do your homework properly. Okay, thank you.